I'm in trouble. Hey, Blueberry Freak. Well, that's not very nice to say. Did I ask?
What's going on?
Nothing. You're useless, Lewis. Ouch. Why is it always me? Hey, you okay? Yeah. Thanks. Actually, you're the first one to seem to care about me. Hey, teacher, is that someone bullying Lewis? Oh no, this again? Ugh, who is bullying him? Hi. Hey, Lewis, are you being bullied? I wonder who the bully is. Bring Lewis, the principal, and the bully. Hi, teacher. You look beautiful. I can't believe you guys have been bullying Lewis. We're sorry. Go to the office, now!
Keep going. Just keep going.
Hi, Mr. Mark. Why are you two bullying Lewis? We thought we'd be cool like the other kids. Well, I don't think that's very cool.